and it's a hot Saturday afternoon, and I thought I would check out the new provisions store down here in Middleton. We're gonna take a look around. It's actually like it definitely is a supermarket. It's a mini supermarket. I think it's more than a convenience store because they have fresh produce in there. There are flowers, there's popcorn, they've got all kinds of organic stuff, meat, picking ready to grab and go meals. So it's pretty cool down here in Middleton. Let's go in and take a look. All right, here we go. I love the exterior of the building, and there are a lot of shops coming. There are several that are open already. But I love that this is more, like I said in the beginning, than just a convenience store. This is pretty much a full mini market. You can stock up meat, cheese, produce, crackers, cookies, everything that you could possibly need. They've actually thought about and brought it to you down in Middleton, which is not, and liquor. There isn't anything around here, so this is, I'm sure, a welcome addition for the residents of Shady Brook, Moultrie Creek, and into Middleton. I love the microgreens. I like buying them, putting them in the salads. They give it a little bit of extra flavor. You can buy these things also over at Publix, and they're grown here. Great selection. Like I said, you can come in here and find just about everything that you would need to make a meal. Almost shop for the week if you chose to do so. And in addition, oh, there's ice cream there. Can't go without some ice cream. And then we get into the frozen. You've got some desserts. There are gluten-free things I saw in there. There's some cool, really big looking cinnamon rolls around the corner. They have frozen meat. I believe there was fresh on the other side of the store. So they have like refrigerated and frozen cases surrounding the exterior, the interior walls, and then all of the non-perishables on the shelves in the middle. Actually, you know what? I like that Amy's, her organic, a lot of the food is pretty good. I get this corn, Mexican street corn I like. Of course, butter, eggs, yogurt, milk. There were a couple people in the store. I was in there. It was probably around 4 or 4:30 today, Saturday, and it is a scorcher. It's 95 degrees out there. I can't live without my White Castles. But because I start to eat a little bit more plant-based foods, although I still eat meat. So I like having those close by. And I'm out and about on the road, so stopping in at a place like this is very common for me to do. Especially if I just want to grab a little something, I need a little pick-me-up in the middle of the day. Here they have some great-looking meats. And drinks. But the community missed something like this when they built Fenny. Because Publix was coming, they really needed something like this just to give the residents somewhere to go to just pick up a couple of essentials. So I'm sure, like I said earlier, I'm sure everyone is really thrilled to have this right close by. The ravioli look good. I love cheese. And forget it. I tried plant-based cheese. Yeah. We'll be skipping the plant-based cheese, that I can tell you. But look here, they have some salads. They had some fresh salads, sandwiches. Obviously, some of these are coming from a central commissary somewhere, but everything looked good. I love getting these types of things at lunch because it fills me up, it's nourishing, and it's light. I don't feel weighed down like I would if I dove into a sandwich. I want to try some of these pastas too. I always look for interesting foods, so I definitely will be back again to shop. And I thought the prices were reasonable. You can get a cup of coffee. And they do have, I thought some of these are really cool. Cuban rice bowl, that's right up my alley. And they have some DeBruno Brothers products. I don't know if anyone is from the Philadelphia area, but I used to like going down to Rittenhouse Square sometimes and picking up things from DeBruno's. I actually will order it online, but now I can pick up a couple things there, like their salami. We have your things for kids of any age. I had some cards, had a little bit of snacky foods. And some drinks that look like they had some cold brew on tap. And again, there's enough of a selection here that you could come in here and get everything you need to make a meal. And yeah, I like my tomatoes. Look at that pickleball, people. It's pasta with personality. I wonder if that'll make me play better. So, and I tell you, if you're ever looking this better than bouillon, it's true. That is absolutely better than bouillon. It has such rich flavor. And I like that kettle and fire chicken broth too. I'll use that once in a while. I've tried the tiki masala, and they have the momofuku chili, like to top your pasta. I buy the momofuku noodles. I really like that. It's not really ramen. It's like more of a pasta with a light sauce. But you have your junk food, your good food, your dippy food, your snack food, beer, wine. Aioli. That's funny. People used to ask me, what's aioli? Oh, good seasoned salad dressing. I know he didn't stop there, but if you're ever looking for something to marinate chicken or steak in, good seasoned salad dressing is the bomb. But in my restaurant, they would ask me, what's aioli? I would tell them it's a $5 word for mayonnaise. All right, that pretty much almost concludes the tour. And it's biodegradable. So I definitely will be back. You should stop in, patronize the store, help a company out here in the Villages, Florida. Meals, so it's pretty cool down here in Middleton. Let's go in and take a look. All right, so I hope you enjoyed this tour of provisions with me down in Middleton. If you're looking to buy or sell a home here in the Villages, you know who to call. I'm your girl. All right, until next time, I'll see ya.